Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Valid Absher account tied to your national ID and the registered mobile number. Once logged in, make sure the vehicle registration is correct and you have scanned ID and ownership documents ready. Begin by choosing the Services menu and selecting Vehicle Permits. This step opens the permit workflow so you can enter vehicle plate and permit type. Do this now to avoid interruptions later and ensure payments are visible in your account. Once you're in the permit workflow, choose the repair permit and exact duration that matches the workshop schedule. Duration affects approval. Next, accurately enter plate, VIN, and the repair shop address so enforcement records match. Upload attachments, scanned ID, vehicle ownership, and assigned shop authorization. Accepted file types are usually PDF or JPG. After attachments, double-check entries. Then proceed to the review screen so you can correct mistakes before payment and submission. You finish by paying the permit fee through Absher's linked SATAD or bank card options. Confirm the transaction before exiting. After payment, you'll receive an SMS and digital permit reference. Save a screenshot and print if needed. If the application is rejected, check the rejection reason in Absher, correct the specific documents or details, then resubmit promptly. Common fixes are mismatched ID or invalid shop authorization. If problems persist, contact the workshop and use Absher.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.